Live from our studios in London, this is the Sonny LARAGAN Show with Europe's coolest and most romantic Filipino presenter, Sonny LARAGAN.
Okay, nako, magandang hapon ho. Good afternoon everybody. Welcome to the program. Ako po si Sonny LARAGAN. Ayan, it's the month of love, February. So, welcome ho. Unang araw ho ng February. It's kind of unique ho dahil ang February, according to some people, hindi ko alam kung 4 or 5 days, no? Teka muna, baka 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So, exactly this particular month, kind of unique ho, no? And it would never happen in another 700 or 800 years na apat na Mondays, apat na Tuesdays, apat na Wednesdays, apat na Thursdays, apat na Fridays, apat na Saturdays, and apat na Sundays. Ayan o, very unique o. And it's a special month o ngayon. And it's a very special month kasi today, we're gonna be getting to know these people, group of Filipinos, no, na mga protection advisors, underwriters, protection advisors. Marami na ho pwedeng itawag na ho sa mga yan. Ito ho yung mga tao na Pinoy, no? They bonded themselves together and are into this thing called insurance. Alamin natin, today, ano nga ba tong insurance, no? Bakit nga ba nadidinig natin yan, no? Ako, marami ho ko experiences sa insurance. Isang example na lang, halimbawa, kotse. Di ba, may car insurance ho tayo. Nabangga, ano ba nangyari? Binangga yata ako. Something like that, no? Binangga ako. And kung ako nagpagawa nun, it would have cost me about 6,000-7,000 pounds. Pero dahil may insurance ako, wala na ako masyadong binayaran. Yung premium ko lang na binabayaran, konti lang naman. Siguro mga 60 pounds a month yata, no? Para sa car insurance. We have a property in Spain. Nilooban ho kami. Sinira yung bintana, sinira yung lahat, no? Kung yun ho ay pinagawa namin, siguro kukulangin na siguro ng pati pintuan Kukulangin siguro ng mga 10,000 euros, no? Pero dahil may insurance kami, nakukunti lang naman binabayaran to our premiums, naprotektahan ho kami. And we didn't have to shell out a whole lot of money at that's gonna be disaster dahil yung finances medyo nabawasan. Pero yun ho, pag-uusapan ho natin. So we're gonna find out about ano ba tong life insurance? Ano ba tong critical illness insurance? Income protection? Ano ho ba yung mga yan, no? Dito ho sa UK, yan, meron tayong mga insurance. Sabagay, anywhere yan, sa buong mundo, no? Meron naman. Kaya lang, narito na ho tayo nakatira, dito na ho tayo, kumbaga, nagkaroon ng mga pamilya, dito tayo siguro na in love, di ba? No? So, andito na ho tayo ngayon. And today, I'm gonna be having with me a group of mga Pinoys. Ito ho ay mga protection advisors, no? Sa dami ho nila, hindi na ho natin maisa-isa pangalan, pero sila yung magpapakilala sa kanilang mga sarili ho. Ito ho yung mga friends ho natin. And this is a very nice opportunity for you guys na mga kababayan natin to get to know them and find out baka sila maging contact persons nyo to somehow give you some peace of mind. Alamin natin, hindi ko na masyadong I don't wanna profess to know a lot of things about insurance. Kanya nga ho, andito ho yung mga advisors. Kaya nga, protection advisors. They will have to advise us on what we have to do. Okay, ipapakilala ko na. Ito, pakikilala ko muna. Isa-isa. Well, grupo na siguro sila na magpapakilala. Ito ho, mga barkada natin, kaibigan natin. I'm sure kayo mga Pinoy na taga rito. At siya nga ho pala, teka muna, because I'm talking of our show being broadcast live from London, no? Dito sa UK. Pero welcome ho, kung kayo ho'y nanonood sa amin from France, from Hungary, from Russia, from the Middle East, from the Philippines, welcome lang ho, tuloy ho kayo kabayan. At least alam niyo na ang inyong mga kababayan na nasa UK ho, eto, meron kaming konting talakayan dito at ito'y makaka-benefit ho sa ating mga kababayan na naririto ho. Lalong-lalo na. Who knows ho, baka dyan ho sa mga mag-expando pati dyan sa grupo ho ninyo sa France, Italy, kung saan-saan ho, pwede ho. Okay, eto na ho sila. No? Napakahusay na grupo ho nito. I'm gonna say good afternoon, no? Sa kanilang pinaka-grupo head, no? Manager, no? Walang iba si Jun Changson. Jun, magandang araw sa iyo at ikaw na magpakilala doon sa iyong total ikaw lang ang nag-iisang thorn amongst the roses, no? Ikaw na magpakilala. Good afternoon, Jun.
Magandang hapon sa iyo, Sonny. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sa lahat po ng nanonood at nakikinig dito sa amin. Ako po si Salvador Asarcon Tiangson. I am from Precise Protect. I'm the area manager here in UK. And precisely, I'm here to tell you that we are still active in this business, in this industry. And I have here with me, some of my colleagues who are also experienced advisors, especially the protection advice that they can give you. Can we start with Rosalie, please?
Magandang umaga po, ay magandang hapon po buong UK and some EU parts of the world. Ako po si Rosalie Remigio. I've been in the financial protection for almost 15 years now, and then I'm a new advisor for Precise Protect. Salamat po.
Ellen, please.
Hi, magandang gabi, Philippines. Good afternoon, London. My name is Elena Dosena Collins. I'm an advisor of Precise Protect. I've been in insurance industry for 21 years, and thank you.
Yes, Lillian.
Hi, good afternoon, UK, London. My name is Lillian Garcia. I'm with Precise Protect. I'm with the business for 16 years, and I'm with you all throughout. Thank you.
Joyce. Joyce, I think you lost your sound.
Oh, sorry. Magandang hapon. Good afternoon to each and everyone. Ako po si Joycelyn Cepilo. I'm working with Precise Protect and I've been in the business for the last 7 years. And hopefully, marami yung kayo matutunan today. Thank you.
So ito po yung team natin dito sa UK, and we are spread all over the UK, and others are in Manchester, Sheffield, London. So anything that you need, and the details, our phone numbers will be advertised soon. So just get in touch with us, and definitely we can give you the best and the cheapest quotes that you can have. Even if you have your current mortgage or your current life protection insurance, definitely we can beat that price. Thank you.
Okay yan, may guarantee ha. That's nice, no? Okay. Ayan. So, we're gonna find out, alamin ho natin kung ano ba tong insurance, no? At June has been mentioning about this Precise Protect. Marami siguro tayo naiisip ng mga mga insurance, no? June, you keep on mentioning
Yes,
Precise Protect, no? Who are Precise Protect? Sino ba ang mga Precise Protect?
Actually, Sunny, Precise Protect we are the insurance specialists. We have access of all major insurance providers, best value every time with competitively priced premiums, local support with advisors and offices located throughout the UK. In total, Sunny, the business with Precise Protect has been in the business for more than 25 years. So definitely we know what we are doing and we know what we are selling.
Okay, well, malawak ang insurance, no? You have, I think, pero covered din yung lahat yan, no? June, no? And the rest of you,
Yes.
no? Okay, so marami yan. Pag-usapan lang natin, siguro one of those is yung tinatawag na critical illness protection. I think, sino sasagot? Joy, I think it's you. Joy, ano ba itong critical illness protection? Ano ba yan? Nagkasakit ba yan? Mababayaran?
Okay.
What is it? Yeah.
Okay, so basically a critical illness is a form of insurance. Yeah, it's often work on the long side of life insurances as well. And this is the one who give you and your family a peace of mind just in case na magkaroon ka ng certain illnesses or serious ill health na na-develop sa'yo down the road. Definitely, they will give you a certain cash lump sum or payout.
Okay. Cash lump sum payout. Ano yan? Ano ba mga critical illness? For example, can you give an example of a critical, ano ba mga critical illness nga pala? What comes to
Okay.
mind? Critical illness. Yeah.
I think, no, sabi nila by facts na to, no, Sonny, na apparently 1 in 2 people will develop some form of cancer in the UK. So that's breast cancer, okay, lung cancer, prostate, and a bowel cancer. So that are the 4 major cancers, that na maraming claim dito sa UK. So definitely, if you've been diagnosed of those kind of illnesses, the insurances will give you a certain payout, which is kung ano yung cover mo, kung magkano yung sum assured na kinover mo. So example, may mga kliyente tayong nag-cover sila ng mga 50,000 worth of critical illness. Definitely on the diagnosis of a breast cancer, they will definitely have a payout o a sum assured of cover of 50,000.
Siguro mamaya balikan kita about kung ano ba, are you choosing, for example, you mentioned 50, can you choose higher than that or lower than that, no? May mga options ba? Sagutin natin yan. But in the meantime, let's go into income protection. Maraming tayong mga kababayan, no? Hindi lang kababayan, mga ibang lahi din o mga British din, no, na siguro na mabubuwang na because of what's happening now. Nawalain ka na lang source of income. May mga taong nakalusot hindi employed siguro, hindi makakakuha ng furlough, no, na pera, no. And so ayan, income protection is very important. Lillian, income protection, ano ba yan?
Yes, Sunny. Yung income protection natin, this is an insurance protection, pays out a regular tax-free. This is a tax-free income protection. Then if you become unable to work because of accident or sickness, actually this is regarding for your income, especially if you cannot even work. And if you can choose how much benefit you will get depending how much you will be earning before you stop working. Yes, son?
Ano, depende yan sa sa work. When you as advisors, no, kayo June and the rest of you, when you advisors kayo, you ask, tinatanong niya, magkano ba sweldo mo? Ganun ba ang tanong? Ganun ba?
Yes.
How is it, is it determined? How much your income? Hindi pwedeng taasan nila, no? Hindi yun ang income mo and then you go for a higher coverage? Hindi po pwede yun, no?
No, we do it this way, Sunny. For your actual yearly income, we're gonna have to do it in multiply natin by 60 to 70% of your annual earnings before tax. And then we're gonna have to get a quote, or let's say we have a monthly premium paid, or your income protection if you're unable to work, if you are accidentally or having accident and sickness, we can pay a lump sum or monthly payment. This is a monthly payment if you cannot work, actually per month.
Ano, who can apply for that? Anybody who's got to work? Anybody who's
Yes,
working?
to get an income protection. No, you can get this if you will be aged 18 to 59, working either employed or self-employed, and been working in the UK for at least 12 months, and have a proof of earnings, as well as you must be registered with a UK doctor or a GP for at least the past 2 years.
So may cut-off yan. 59 years old ang
Yes.
cut-off niya. Hindi pwedeng lang,
Yes.
no?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Now, sige. Ito ho, mga kaibigan, lang, no? If you have any questions, you can message us. Tayo ho ay nando sa Sonny Laragan ng pinaka-website page. We are also simulcast on Pinoy Radio UK, no? Ito ho'y maganda. We thought of having this thing about insurance dahil napakahalaga ho talaga nito. So this thing, like June was giving us the assurance that sige, kung meron kayong current na mga insurance, mga policies or whatever, pwede ba lumipat? June? Can they transfer? Ang insurance ba? Can you move from one provider to the other?
Yes, honey, you can do that, especially so kung ang offer namin is much cheaper and the benefits are much better. That will be always the client's prerogative.
So June, you're telling me na hindi porket you can get a cheaper one, you can get less in terms of benefits even in the end. Hindi pa pwede. For example, are you saying that with different providers, halimbawa, they're offering the same, but for example, yung sa inyo would be lower? Is that what you're saying? Na you will be
Pwede
getting the
mangyari
same?
yan, Sunny.
And
Pwede mangyari yan even if they offer the same providers as what we offer. We can offer a cheaper premium, a lower premium. Yes,
ayun.
pwede mangyari
Di ba,
yan.
mas maganda yan. So yan, I guess that's maganda yan, no? That's good news. That's tulong na rin natin sa mga kababayan natin. In a way, by having Filipino advisors like you guys to be able to give the proper advice, di ba? Minsan, di ba, yung pag wala kayong alam, hindi kayo guided, hindi nyo alam, you go through magulo eh. Nagre-research ka pa. Whereas, with you guys, may alam kayo. Sige, talking of alam, ikaw, for example, Joy, how long have you been in this business, in this industry, more or less? Just to give a background, an idea to our kababayans, no? How you got into it and how long have you been doing this?
Okay. So, I've been here in the business for the last 7 years. Actually, Sonny, may kwento rin ako, no? Nung dating ako dito sa UK, don't even understand much about insurance. Actually, I'm very hesitant to take one. Okay? I was lucky that I was being introduced to this Filipino advisor who explained it to me the benefit of it. Ang maganda lang sa UK, Sonny, comparing with Philippines, this one your insurance is insured as well, which is I didn't even realize, you know.
Is also insured? Ano yun? Hindi namin nakuha yun. Is also insured? Sabi mo? Ang ganda sa UK? Ano sinabi mo?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yes. So, kunyari, kumuha ko ng insurance at nagdi ang business o nag-canvas business dito, ibabalik sa akin is the 90% of the premium that I have been paid for the policy, o dito sa insurance. So, doon ako medyo na-enlighten na I guaranteed na binigyan ako ng peace of mind na just in case na malugi yung business, ibabalik pa rin sa akin yung nahulog ko. So, it's a bit of giving me a peace of mind na hindi na sayang man lang yung hinulog mo just in case. Comparing with, with other insurance with in a different country, I'm not mentioning anything, but what happened kasi hindi nakakuha ang aking magulang before dun sa kanyang insurance na nalugi. So, yun yung parang nag-put off sa akin. But, insurance here in the UK is very legit. And being advisor in the UK as well, you have to be licensed, no? Hindi ka pwede dito basta mag-advise na lang without any, going through to the background checking and jury exams and to be knowledgeable in each product.
Wow. Okay. Mamaya, yung iba rin sa inyo, no? You'll tell us how long have you been in the industry, no? Sige, pwede na rin siguro natin tanungin. Siguro, Lillian, how long have you been dito sa as a financial advisor? Gaano katagal ka na?
Yes, Sonny. I'm here in the industry for 16 years. But actually, son, I arrived in the UK in 2000. I'm also a nurse. At the same time, at the moment, I'm still a frontliner. I work with the industry for NHS until now. And this is a part-time before. But now, the passion of being an advisor is good for me. So actually, nagustuhan ko to. This is my part-time before, but now this is my real career. So this is a career for me now. So aside from nursing, I'm doing as an advisor. Being an advisor for protection, Precise Protect is a great privilege for me.
So you can really carve out a career dito sa insurance business na to. Pwede pala. So you are a nurse. Yep. And now, di ba, nurse is, kumbaga, frontliners dito, very much in demand. And yet, you are happy doing insurance, no? So, very satisfying pala, no? Is it satisfying also, both, no? As a work and financially, in a way?
Yes. I work in the industry. Yes. Insurance is self-employed, and my nursing is my other employed contract. Okay.
Rosalie, okay, we talked about income protection, no? Pinag-uusapan natin critical illness, life insurance. Ayan, may mga ganyan, di ba? Nag-asawa ng medyo may edad na, tapos siguro papatayin para medyo may ganyan mga kwento, di ba? Life insurance. Tell us about anong life insurance. Bakit? Ano yan life insurance ba na yan? What is it? What is a life insurance? Direct question. Ba? Anong life insurance?
Ang life insurance, which can also known as life cover or life assurance, ito yung type ng policy that protects your loved ones, your family with financially if you die. So tumutulong din ito to minimize the financial impact pag namatay yung tao na dumidepende yung family sa taong namatay. So it offers a peace of mind to those you care about more. So for example, ikaw you're the head of the family and then ikaw yung talaga yung inaasahan ng pamilya. For example, yung tay. And then siya. Tapos all of a sudden, meron siyang hindi siya kumuha ng life insurance because maybe hindi siya naniniwala doon. So yung head of the family, lagi niyang titingnan na kung mamamatay siya, kung mawawala siya sa mundo, ano mangyayari sa family niya na inaiwan niya. So the most important thing is you have to cover yourself so the family has a peace of mind. Hindi lang yon, Sunny, kasi lagi ding iisipin ng mga naiwan yung worries, like yung household bills, lahat naman tayo maraming binabayaran dito sa UK, yung mga personal bills, and of course, it help also life insurance sa mga mortgage payment as well. So for me, life insurance is napaka-importante sa bawat tao, hindi lang may pamilya, sa bawat tao na kailangan kung may maiiwang kang pamilya na umaasa sa taong tumutulong sa bawat pamilya.
Ayan, wow.
Sunny?
Yes. Oo naman. So assurance, no? May mababayaran yung bills, may mga naiwang mga babayaran, no? Ganun eh. Minsan may namamatay, parang namatay na walang iniwan, mas marami, parang utang pa o mga hinahabol pa, no? So this is good, no? Some peace of mind ang sinasabi mo. Pero ikaw, sige, but Rosalie, so how long have you been with the industry? How long have you been an advisor? Gaano katagal na?
Actually, nandito ako sa UK since 1990s. And aside from that, I work in John Lewis Waitrose for 21 years now. And insurance, I've been insurance for 15 years now, and this is only my second employment. So, bali pang adding on sa income. And aside from that, because dahil natapos naman ako sa FEU ng business management, nagamit ko rin yung talking ko dito sa UK. So I can be able to sell, based on my experience in selling insurance, nakaka-sell ako ng insurance sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong. Not only because money-wise, but kailangan ang motive natin, makatulong tayo sa tao na ma-expose sila sa mga insurance na ino-offer namin na Precise Protect, para makatulong lalo na ngayon sa sitwasyon na ito.
Ayan, okay. So, napakahusay, no? That's very good, no? Okay, and we're so glad that there's a bunch of Filipinos na katulad ninyo na nagsama-sama para nga ito'y mabigyan ng kulang kaalaman yung ating mga kababayan. At kayo rin ang first point of contact nila, no? Kayo, June, no? Ang magiging first point of contact. Yeah. And we keep talking about Precise Protect, no? Itong Precise Protect, June, ano to what do you call this? Ito'y matagal na, sabi mo, 25 years ba? How many years na sa
25 years. Yes.
Okay. So what makes it special from to the others in a way, and that you guys decided to be a part of it? Yun nga, yung magandang offer, low premiums. Yan ba'y regulated ng Financial Services Compensation Scheme, no? Diba? Kung sakaling may mangyari, diba, something happens, diba, kayo na kailangan assurance na, diba, parang sa atin may mga PDIC, maski rin dito, diba, na pag, diba, nagkaroon ng problema yung bangko, at least may makukuha kayo. So kayo, ito, yung hindi tipong mawawala, maraming fraud, maraming nagogoyot, naloloko. So here, if they get their premiums, give their premiums sa inyo, may garantiya ba na these are all protected via the Financial Services Compensation Scheme and so on and so forth? Tell us a little something more about Precise Protect, June.
Yes, Sunny. To begin with, ang Precise Protect naman, we are under-regulated by the FCA, that is the Financial Conduct Authority. Then, of course, if there are also complaints, there is also the Financial Ombudsman. Then, pwede silang they can make their complaint or dun sa Financial Services Compensation Scheme, where 90% naman ng kanilang claim can be paid as long as valid naman yung kanilang complaint.
Okay.
So that depends again also on what kind of claims ang kanilang kinukuha. Remember dito, we are only allowed to sell non-investment insurance also. So definitely, kung ano yung kinuha nila, yun lang din ang cause ng kanilang concern. If they think that hindi sila nabayaran properly or they were not really taken care of, they can go straight to the Financial Ombudsman. and state their what grievances do they have.
Very good, no? Ako, wala akong problema sa UK. I could easily claim. I had two car accidents. Okay, isa yung binangga ako. Pakaliwa ako, may isang mabilis na hindi ko alam kung anong lahi yun, no? Dahil biglang tumakbo eh. Pagkatapos ng pagkabangga, buti lang may camera ako, no? So I easily was able to claim. Yung second aking is bigla lang bumilis yung sasakyan ko, bumangga sa isang wall, no? Sa isang na-damage yung wall ng may-ari ng bahay, na-damage din yung sasakyan ko. Pero lahat yun, peace of mind ko, nabayaran yun. Yung wall na pinagawa, Wimbledon, ang mahal-mahal. Kasi sa Wimbledon, mga listed properties yung mga yan eh. So, imagine mo yung gastos, siguro mga 6,000 pounds sa aking sasakyan, plus yung pier, yung binanggang landing, pati yung grill nun, hindi basta-basta pala, mahal. So, all of these things, no, yun, kotse yun, property yun, how much more our lives, di ba? Yung buhay na ating inaano sa inyo, no? Okay, whole of life, may whole of life, ano ito whole of life? Ito mga kaibigan, natutuwa ako rito dahil ito naka Rolls Royce to nung kinasal eh. No? Ito si Ellen Collins. Ellen, good afternoon sa iyo. Whole of life, ano ba to? Bakit may whole of life? May life insurance, ano ba tawag dito? Income protection, di ba? Yung mga tinatawag na critical illness. Whole of life, ano yan?
Yeah, good afternoon, Sunny. Yes, whole of life is a life assurance policy that guarantees your family get a payout when you die, and it's covered for your peace of mind again, that your loved ones will have financial security no matter what. Whole of life only ends when you die, meaning this is the funeral planning.
Funeral planning, yeah, okay. Yun ang difference niya sa life insurance, ganun ba?
Yes. Insured for life.
Insured for life. Okay, could you give us an example? Ano ba example ng ano? For example, anong whole of life, an example. Somebody below 60 and probably in their 60s. Paano yan?
Okay, people who can apply for this plan, we recommend this plan for 50 years old and above. So meaning yung nanay at tatay natin, they are the one who are eligible to get this cover.
Oh, wow.
Because kung titingnan mo, yes. Yes, sir.
Ano mga halimbawa, for example, what kind of a whole of life are they trying to insure for example, 30,000, mga 50,000, depende pa rin ba sa edad yan? Ito, maganda pag-usapan to dahil yung ating mga nanonood, they can really find out, ano nga ba to, no? Ano ba nga ba to? Paano ba yan? So, sa mga over 50s ba ang pwede dyan? Yun lamang, whole of life?
Yes, sila lamang ang pwedeng makakover for the whole of life. And the coverage there is, it depends upon how much they want to be covered. They from start of 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, we can cover them.
Okay, all right. Sige, well, okay. Mag-break lang muna tayo. We're just gonna have a short break, mga kaibigan. Mag-break lang ho tayo and then siguro we'll show you the company nila, no? Yung Precise Protect. Merong isang parang video lang dito ng short, hindi naman video, mga 10-13 seconder. Para pagbalik ho natin. But in the meantime, we'll just have a short break. Wag ho kayo alis, kami po yung magbabalik.
May problema ka ba sa landlord mo? Baka evict ka na ni Kuya. May problema sa mga kapitbahay, sa trabaho. O kaya naman kay Mister o kay Mrs. Away tungkol sa mana, mga may utang, mga aksidente, daing o laban sa ospital or sa NHS, harassment, o baka naman may stalker ka na gusto mong ireklamo. Punta na sa DV Solicitors para matulungan ka pagdating sa mga litigations at iba pang mga legal concerns. DV Solicitors at Mayfair House, 11 Lurk Street, Bedford, MK40 3HZ. Tumawag sa 01234-350-244 or 01234-225-188 o kaya naman mag-email sa d.quinto@dvsolicitors.com. Visit our website at www.dvsolicitors.com. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, serbisyong mapagkakatiwalaan, serbisyong maaasahan pagdating sa inyong mga padalang balikbayan boxes. Dito ka na sa Forex Cargo. Sa presyong kayang-kaya ng bulsa, sigurado ka pa sa inyong padala. Forex Cargo. Dahil kailangan makarating. Call 0208-813-7064. O ano pang inaantay niyo mga kabayan? Tayo na sa Forex Cargo.
100% all natural. Tasty. Healthy. Versatile. 4 unique flavors. Taste a real sauce. Galettos.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy ho tayo sa ating program and we're talking about insurance, no? Ano ba yung insurance na yan? Para saan ba yan, no? Ano ba yan? Ano ba ang kahalagahan yan sa ating buhay, no? Yan ho, pinag-uusapan ho natin dito sa ating programa, no? So, magandang hapon ho. Ako po si SONNY Laragan. Ayan ho, no? Ayan. Ano ba yan? Insurance, ano ba yan? Kailangan ba natin ito? And syempre, kasama ho natin yung ating 5 eksperto ho. Marami pa ho yan. Lalaki pa ho yan, no? I guess baka kailangan din nila if you wanna join in. Like for example, yung sinasabi ni Lillian na kumbaga from a nursing career, it became now a parang full-time career for her. No? So po pwede pala, it can be your life's vocation. No? Pwede na trabaho ninyo. Ayan. Magandang araw once again sa inyong 5. No?
Magandang araw sa iyo, Sunny.
Yes, oo. Nakakatuwa naman at ayan. Okay. So, insurance talagang ibig sabihin, it is a what would you say? Parang it's a little investment for peace of mind. Ano ba mga what does one get out of insuring? Ano bang June, what does one get out of insuring? For example, say critical income protection, life insurance, whole of life. These are things that are natututunan ko ngayon, no? And I'm sure yung ating mga listeners, ano ba? You were mentioning peace of mind, but can you probably recap in a way? Can you name some of the advantages of bakit nga ba mag-insure? As against, sayang lang ang pera yan, o kaya kailangan ko ng pera or whatever. Bakit kailangan mag-insure? And why should they allot, a certain premium money, towards that?
Yes, Sunny, no? One of the benefits talaga, if you take out life insurance, whether critical illness, income protection, it's always the peace of mind ng bawat tao. Like for instance, pag ikaw kumuha ka ng critical illness, ang peace of mind mo dyan is, what kung nagkaroon ka ng long-term sickness? Hindi ka makapagtrabaho o you were diagnosed with those listed as critical illness. One example, what if you were diagnosed with cancer? Then you were unable to work for a certain period of time. Saan ka kukuha ng pera to pay off your mortgage, to pay off your bills? Wala ka ng trabaho noon. You were not able to work anymore. So this is the thing where insurance will get in. So saan ka kukuha ng pera? If you have, you only need to spare a small amount of your income to pay off, to buy life insurance, critical illness, or income protection. You can pay as low as 20 pounds in a month or 10 pounds in a month, just for you to have a peace of mind. It will protect yourself, protect your family for all the burdens and headaches that will come across in the event na nagkaroon ka nga ng mga critical illness, nagkaroon ka ng a stroke. So where will you get the money? This is insurance. This is the kind of product that you can rely on. meron kang life insurance at the event of death, definitely kung sino yung maiwan, orphans and widows, they have the money to survive, to move on with their life. So those are one of the importance of getting insurance, whether life insurance, critical insurance, income protection, whole of life. So it will make your life more easier in the event of something that happens.
Okay, all right. May question dito si Edna doon sa income protection. Sino ba income protection sa inyo?
Yes,
Uh,
Sunny.
Lilian.
Yeah.
Lilian. Oo, okay, Lilian.
Yes, Sunny.
Okay, more or less magkano ho ang mga premium na dapat namin bayaran sa aming sa income? I get
No,
2,000, 4,000. Oh yeah, okay. 2,400
Yes.
a month daw siya. Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, son, yes. It depends because itong income protection natin from ages to 18 to 59, pwede tayo makakuha na nito. So ang monthly natin depends for your annual income. So we're gonna have to multiply that with 60 to 70%. And then the total for that, we're gonna have to divide it with 12. So the maximum, like for example, for 30,000, you can avail 1,500 to 1,700 per month. And exactly the same, kung magkano yung monthly mong nakukuha as a sahod, so yung 1,500 per month, bibigay yan sa atin ng kung sino mang provider ang nagbigay. Kunyari Zurich, or maybe let's say Liverpool Victoria, Aviva, or we have plenty of providers, Sunny. So we can get along anyway. You can try to ask. You can ask the advisors as well. We are here for her to help.
Yan ba, ano yun? Is it about a month? Sorry, a year, 2 years? I don't know. Kasi when I was about, at one time working at the Brompton Hospital, no? Merong parang, di ba sa job, merong mga assurances for 8 months or 1 year. Yeah, itong income protection, what is covered? Is it about a year, a couple of years? So
Yes, we call it deferred period, Sunny. So we have 6 months deferred, especially if we are NHS nurses. We can get a full slot or say full have employment, especially with NHS nurses. We can get full of your salary, and then after 6 months, you're gonna have to have half pay. We can give that as well as a 6 months deferred. But for those people with self-employed, we can have a day one cover. But except for this COVID situation now, Sunny, we offered only 8 weeks at the most. But we're gonna have to go back anyway after the COVID if this situation settles. So we can go back to 1 day deferred period, meaning kung pwede natin kunin ang 1 day, you can exactly get the cover straight away.
ano sabi mo? 8 weeks, Lilian? Ano yung 8 weeks na sinasabi mo? That's 2 months, more or
8
less,
weeks
ganun?
deferred. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Waiting time.
Because of this situation, 8 weeks
Waiting,
binibigay nila ng provider.
I'm talking of
Waiting
waiting
period.
time, pero are you sabi mo ang payment 6 months, gano'n, 1 year, depende, gano'n ba? Ang ano? Ano
Yes,
yung
it
ano yung
depends, because
8
we
weeks?
are NHS.
Okay. 8 weeks is the time that you have to wait for the money to come in, gano'n? For the first, hindi naman.
Yes.
Tama,
Deferred
okay.
period, meaning the
Okay.
waiting period, if you can get the income, the protection.
Okay. Right. Okay, ang life insurance ba is determined by the capability of one in terms of premiums ba? Ano ba could you give examples of life insurances? Ano ba mga examples of life insurances? 1 million, 300,000, 200,000, 50,000? Paano to?
It depends.
Yeah.
Sunny, it depends sa magpapa-insured. It depends
Wala.
paano sila makakabayad at saka kung paano nila, kasi isa long-term sitwasyon, kung paano nila mababayaran. So kung magkano ang budget nila na can afford to pay sa monthly premium nila.
Ayun, okay.
Sunny?
All right. Okay, yes. Kung
They can also get
yes.
500,000, 300,000. Yeah, depende lahat sa income nila kung kaya nila.
Ayun, kung kaya nila. Joy, yung mga critical illness ka, di ba, Joy? Tama ba?
Tama.
Oo, critical illness. Okay. How is it determined? Paano nadi-determine ang kamukha ng life insurance? Ito yung ipepeg, kunyari, kung itong amount and this is how much you have to pay. With critical illness, kailangan ba may sakit ka o wala ka pang sakit? Paano ba yan? Ano ba yan? You know?
Okay, so in general, to be honest, ang insurance kasi mas mura siya, no? It's more cheaper and affordable when you're younger and healthier. Okay? So critical illness, ang maganda lang sa critical illness, like I said, pag na-diagnose ka ng certain illness like cancer, mental illness, heart failure, definitely magbabayad sila. But the thing is, it depends on the diagnosis of the consultant. So, hahanapin pa rin namin dito yung tinatawag nating investigation, no? Kailangan makita kung anong stage na ng cancer, because the critical illness can pay you as a minimum of 50% of your cover. That's the minimum payout.
Magkano? How's that again? 50%? Sorry?
50% of your total cover. So example, isang policy holder, meron siyang cover ng 50,000 ng critical illness. So just in case may diagnosis siya, even a less advanced cancer, the minimum that they can get is the 50% of their 50,000. So that's 25,000. Okay? So like I said, mahigpit din ang critical illness. So when you're younger, that's more better and healthier.
So, okay. So, somebody actually, siguro, when you're younger, anong age ang pinaka-ideal na, or they can start out, or start off having this insurance, critical care, or critical illness cover, yeah.
The minimum age is 16, okay? And the maximum age start date of this plan or this policy is 69 years old. So, in between 16 to 69.
Okay. Okay. Ang critical illness, pagka yan ba parang are you precluded or may epekto ba yan? For example, kung meron ka ng na-feel mo may illness ka, wala ka pang critical illness, meron ka on the onset pa lang and then you start insuring yourself sa critical illness, yan ba may ano ba parang nagiging hindi tatanggapin o meron bang requirement? May conditions ba when you go for a critical illness, ano?
Yeah, because itong critical illness natin, even the life cover, meron doon tinatawag na medical underwriting, no? So tatanungin namin yung mga medical existing conditions ng kliyente. So obviously, tatanungin namin kung may mga hinihintay kayo mga tests o investigations, no? Like I said, mas mura siya kung ikaw ay healthy. So it gives consideration yung presyo na kukunin mong cover sa critical illness. Like I said, kung healthy ka, at kung kaya mo naman yung premium, definitely you can be covered straight away. Like I said, kung meron namang medical conditions, sometimes pupunta yung sinatawag nilang medical underwriting. So hihingiin yung mga medical history mo from the GP. Obviously with the consent of the policy holder.
Ayan, okay, alright, sige. Well, this is kinda interesting kasi nga yung tag dito, malaking bagay yung we find out, no, itong mga bagay about insurance, hindi natin masyadong naintindihan sa mabas, no. Okay, meron lang itong bumabati lang to. Hi, hello Sir Sonny, and Precise Protect, from Cora Carsola, binabati, June. Hello Sir Sonny and Precise Protect. Okay, meron ditong tanong. Ito, may tanong dahil pagbigyan lang natin, ipasok natin. Ito, si Bernadette Bisdi, no? I don't know kung nababasa nyo. June. Sorry.
Sunny.
Hindi, ito, sandali ha. We're flashing it, sandali lang. We're flashing it. Andiyan na yata Pumasok na yata yung question Pumasok na? Tama ba?
Wala akong makita
Hindi, yan. Okay. If you took a life insurance, asan na ba yan? Nakikita nyo ba lahat sa screen? Lilian, meron lang nakasulat dyan. Hindi nyo mabasa lang. Sige, so basahin ko lang. If you took a life insurance, then within a year, you had a stroke, what will happen then? This is coming from Bernadette Bisdi, no? Ito, she's parang very successful, yata to? Real estate investor to, si Bernadette Bisdi, no? She's got investments here in the UK, Philippines, and the US. Yan. If you took life insurance, then within a year you had a stroke, what will happen then? Sino sasagot?
Sige, sagutin ko. Sunny, there are two things that will happen there, no? First thing is, kung meron siyang life insurance, then nagkaroon siya ng stroke, hindi naman siya namatay, then therefore, yung life insurance niya is still live. Life insurance is when you die. whether later or in the future or now. So that is life insurance. Pero kung life insurance siya, meron siyang critical illness, definitely she can make a claim.
So hindi kumbaga encompassing na for life insurance. O teka muna, stroke ka pa, buhay ka pa. O you can claim a
Yes.
critical care. Hindi pala pwede. You also have to open or come up with a critical protection
Critical
illness.
Yes, critical illness yan.
Okay.
Stroke is a type of critical illness, yeah.
Oo.
Ayun, oh.
Yeah, basic lang naman life insurance, live or die. Critical illness, you're still alive. If you have a stroke, you were diagnosed with cancer, you make a claim. Whatever amount of insurance you have with critical illness, you make a claim. That is your right now to make a claim.
Diyan pa sa sinasabi niyo, June, no? Lahat yan, mga insurances na yan. Yan ba'y katulad ng, I'm just putting an analogy do sa sa car insurance ko at saka sa house insurance na na burgle kami, sinira yung pintuan, pagka mahal-mahal, sakit ng ulo yon, we just paid yung premiums na konti lang. Kung tutuusin, it's just a very small, minute fraction of the gastos na na-recover namin, di ba? Pintuan, bintana, pinasok, yung kotse ko na nasira, yung harapan. Siguro mga, tinanong ko sa gawaan magkano yan? Kung talagang mga 6,000-7,000 yan. O imagine mo 6,000-7,000 na dahil lang sa konting premium ko, siguro less than 40 pounds a month. Baka 400 pounds lang nabayad ka sa isang taon di ba? Rather than lumabas sa bulsa ko. Is it similar to life insurance na parang with a small premium you get a handsome, depende if you can afford more, then siyempre you have to shell out more. Ganun ba yan? Same principle din?
The same principle, Sonny. Kasi kung meron din kasi kaming building and content home insurance. So all of these are under supervised by the FCA. So if you make a claim, kunya life insurance, you make a claim, you buy a life insurance, meron kang monthly premium na binabayaran. Ang monthly premium naman na binabayaran will depend again on your age, on your health, o kung magkano amount of gusto ng life assurance mo. So we will compute on that.
Ayun, okay. May tanong pa uli dito, nag-follow up, nanggigigil yata itong si Bernadette Bisdi for today, no? Parang siguro sabi niya, teka muna. Sabagay, ang taong interesado, makulit, nagtatanong, yan ang minsan, di ba? Talagang may show interest, no? Okay, ang tanong niya is, asa na ba ito? May tanong siya, nag-follow up Sabi niya, ayan, okay. Sabi niya, okay, critical illness. Then, if only, sandali titignan na, hindi ko makita na mabuti itong okay, critical illness, then you only paid for a year. So, would you be able to get any claim? Ayan. Ito, pasensya na kayo, baka hindi, siyempre ang tao, hindi alam yung mga, that's the reason why we ask questions. Let's take it from the point of view of somebody is going to be introduced an insurance. Ano ba yan? Kailangan ko ba yan, di ba? So, ayun, sino sasagot nun?
Do you want me to answer, Salvador?
Yes, please.
Okay. So basically, ang insurance kasi, like I said, it depends on the severity of the diagnosis. So example, itong kliyente ni Bernadette, nagtatanong siya.
1 year pa lang nagbayad, 1 year pa lang.
Oo, kunyari, 1 year bayad to at na-diagnose ng stroke, okay? But the stroke, yung severity ng stroke niya, hindi pa ganun, sabihin, hindi pa what's that called? Di ba pag ang stroke, minsan hindi mo na maigalaw yung half of the body mo?
Hemiplegia, yes.
Okay? So the minimum that you can claim from it is 50% of your total cover. So like I've mentioned earlier, kung may 50,000 siya, you can get straight away the 25,000 and the policy still continues. Okay? The only thing that the policy will lapse or cease pag nakuha niya na yung maximum na 50,000 in one go. Okay? But the policy still continues if the client or the policyholder have a sum assured or a claim of 25,000, which is the half of 50,000.
Ayan,
Sundan ko lang sa
sige. Go, please, June.
Sinabi niya kung 1 year pa lang siya nagbayad. Of course, she can make a claim. Kasi definitely, na-approve yung policy niya. When she bought the policy, that policy went to underwriting also. Nag-check kami kung anong kanyang medical status. So the moment that policy has been issued to her, even if she claimed a critical illness after she was approved, then she has the right to claim also. So much more kung 1 year na siya nagbayad. definitely she has the right to claim.
Hindi ko alam,
Yes,
baka hindi ko...
Sunny, add on.
Yeah, go ahead. Sige,
Sunny.
go ahead, sorry.
Yes, add on based on the question that 1 year pa lang siyang nagbabayad and is she can eligible to claim? Yes. Reason why, it's just because I have some clients that approve claims and they get 90,000
Wow.
cover. So we pay. That's
Yung
what
90
that's the assurance.
Yung 90,000 na cover, just curiosity, magkano ang premium niyan?
She's young. She's just only paying about 38 pounds
A month.
a month.
35 pounds a month. Maganda, may peace of mind.
38 pounds a month.
Sorry, 38
Yeah.
pounds. Yan, oh. Teka muna, yung na-aksidente, nabalda, kasama ba yan dyan? Sa mga pinag-uusapan natin, critical illness, hindi naman namatay eh. Kamukha na stroke. Nabalda,
Yes.
binangga, di ba? Oh, ano ba ka-claim yan? Kunyari,
Yes,
anong
it's
klaseng, which kind of insurance is it, does it fall under?
Total. Yeah, it's a total permanent. I can answer
This-
that, Sunny. It's a total permanent disablement. And here comes the income protection here. So, dito ka makaklaim na kung meron kang income protection, satisfied kung meron kang 1 month deferred, let's say, at least hindi ka makapagtrabaho for how long? Let's say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. So, the provider will pay that per month. So, meaning to say, meron ka ring income. So, that's why we fall under income protection. It protects your income just in unable to work or you have an accident or sickness.
So income protection lang ang pwede ron? Yun lang? So you
Total
had the
permanent disablement,
income
yes.
protection insurance, nabalda ka, binangga ka, yun ang makaklaim mo, loss of income. Yun lang, ganun? Wala nang ano?
Depende sa no? I'll try to
Sige, go ahead,
elaborate
Jun,
on
yes.
that. Yung critical illness, meron kaming optional cover dyan na TPD, that is total and permanent disablement. No, kunyari yung client mo, hindi naman siya nag-experience ng critical illness, nabalda siya because of accident. So, may mga criteria dan. Yung man totally and permanently disabled ka. So, you can claim for the full amount of critical illness also because of your TPD, total and permanent disablement, attached to your policy. So, you can make a claim also.
Ayan, okay. Oh, ba talagang namangha siya namangha to. Edna, sabi nga ng Bernadette Business, really? 90K? What's the premium per calendar month? PCM yan, di ba? Per calendar, parang rent. Sabi nga sa inyo,
Sunny,
mukha
I'll give you one example.
rental to. Kaya sinasabi niya per calendar month, PCM. Oh, ayan. Really? Ayan, really? What's the premium PCM? Nakikita niyo yan? Na-flash sa screen niyo?
Yeah, that's
Oh, yan.
no.
Sunny, I will give you one example.
Okay,
one
go
of
ahead,
my
yes.
clients took life and critical insurance from me. That was 15 years ago. 7 years ago, when she was 35 years old, she had a mild stroke. The company paid her the full amount of 100,000 critical illness.
Wow.
Yes.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
these are the things na kailangan i-consider natin na don't make life insurance as an expense. Make it as an investment, a personal investment.
Ayan,
Because you just don't know what will happen in the future. So,
Well, ito,
you spend.
napapag-usapan kasi insurance, no? Kamukha nito sa mga yung mortgage protection insurance, o mga ganyan, no? These are types of insurance na papasok lang natin. Mag-asawa, namatay yung lalaki, bayad na yung bahay, no? Wala nang problemahin si business for the rest of her life na, no? Mga ganun. So these are things that you benefit, these are the benefits of insurances. Like yung kinikwento ko sa akin, sa kotse, sa bahay na nilooban, sinira yung pintuan, di ba? Actually, hindi sinira. Yung sinira yung bintana sa amin sa Spain, hindi kami makapasok, tumawag ng gabing-gabi ng tagagawa. Yung kolokoy, sinira yung pintuan. Sinira yung pintuan. So nag-claim kami ngayon doon. Kasalanan nung inutusan yung, di ba, siya tawagan mo insurance. Nilooban kami, sirang bahay namin, hindi kami makapasok. Tatawag ngayon ng locksmith yan. Yung locksmith yata nakainom, sinira yung pintuan. O hindi naman kasama sa original na sira yun, claim pa rin namin yun. Naka-claim kami. Ang laki ng yung peace of mind mo na wala kang ano. So ito, mga bagay na ito, it's nice to educate our kababayans, no? And not everybody is as open-minded as, somehow. It takes a little, alam mo niya, ay, ganun pala. When they see the light na, wow, ang bagay, laking bagay pala yung insurance na yan. At totoo naman, di ba? Insurance sa bahay. May konting insurance, pag nasira yung tubo-tubo mo, imbes na ang sakit ng ulo mo sa mga plumbers, ang mahal-mahal ng plumber, nagagawa, wala kang masyadong gastos. Di ba? Except yung premium mo. So, ganun din sa inyo. Lalo na, if you value your life and you value your health, then this is the right thing to do, no? So,
And you value your family as well.
and your family as well, no? Hindi lamang ikaw, syempre. Also, you think of your family, yung mga anak mo. And that's the reason why, di ba? This is also a good future for them. In case something happens to you, they also would have some seed money for them to live on for the rest of probably their lives, no? So,
That's right.
kayo, teka muna, paano ba nabuo? Kayo mga Pilipino, kasi this is nice, no? If I were to have a solicitor, kaya kami si Dana Quinto nandito, Legal Advice Corner, it's nice to have a Filipino, no? May accountant ka, Filipino, dahil you can speak the same language, no? At mas maipagliliwanag sa inyo. Maganda tong ginawa ninyo na nagsama-sama kayo as protection advisors, no? At nagkasama-sama. Paano ba nagkasama-sama? Tell us a bit of history for you guys. June, being the leader of the group, no?
Actually, Sonny, when I joined life insurance business here in UK, that was way back in 2003. So, along the way, nakilala ko rin ito sila isa-isa. We came from a different background before. We came from previous insurance company. Doon kami una nagkakilala, but we decided to move to this company because we find it more it has more benefits to offer to our clients.
Oh, right. Okay. All right.
So we decided now, as a group, we decided to join and be a part of this company.
So ngayon, today, the 1st of February, which is like I said, it's a very unique month of our history of mankind. Dahil they say this only happens after 700 or 800 years, in which a month, the month of February has four ganyan na, no? Alam niyo na sila, 4 Mondays until Sundays yan. And it is unique, no? Sabi nga, something, lumabas. So, which is good. And this was, why did you choose na February 1 to be the day to let people know, hey, here we are, Filipino financial advisors or ano ba tawag dito? Advisors, protection advisors. Ayan, kasi protection, you're protecting your life and your health, no? Why did you decide eventually do it on this day? I don't know if you were aware of the trivia that I shared just now, or earlier, at the opening of the program. Bakit today ang launching nyo?
Ako muna, sasagutin ko yan. Mag-follow up na lang ang iba. Kasi February is the love month. And we like to share also love to the families that we are able to touch. Yung bang we have the passion of helping, sharing, the passion of giving the right advice. We love to help people, the knowledge about insurance. So we decided we go for February 1, since February is a love month.
Yeah.
So anyway, sila, kung meron pa silang gustong sabihin, you can just say what you feel.
Sa akin parang maganda yung Sonny, yung the beginning of the month. It's a blessing.
For me, insurance is all about love. So because February is a love month, so that's why we decided to come in this first day of the love month. The reason why we're getting an insurance is for our loved ones, to give them the peace of mind and the hassle-free in times of rainy days. Here the insurance comes.
Yes.
That's it, all about love.
Wow, very romantic si Jun. So he started with love and everybody now agreed. Sige, sabihin natin, pakinggan natin si Lilian. Lilian, ikaw.
Well, Sonny, it's true. Love month, especially February. And aside from that, we are in the mid of we are 2021 now. And the past 2020 is really a rough road for us, for everyone. And then nandito tayo sa 2021, which is a good year for all of us. I think na matapos na itong pandemic na to, and we're launching the first day of the year, which is February, as we know na malaki ang tulong natin dahil pagmamahal ang binibigay natin sa kanila as a client and as an advisor. We hope and pray na itong COVID na to matanggal, makikita-kita tayo. At least ang pag-launch namin is just for the sake na para mapakita namin sa kanila yung pagmamahal namin sa kanila. Yun lang.
Oh, Joy, ikaw hindi ka napapahuli siyempre, no?
Nasabi pa nila, no, Love Month is February. Pero sa akin lang, no, that's why we all here because we wanted to service our kababayans, no. Iba pa rin talaga yung kapwa Pilipino mo. You know, the love and the passion that we give to the client and the after service. So we're not only here just to, you know, explain the insurance, but we're here to service them just in case they need us, especially on claims. So February is the best month for us. Like I said, January is the start of the year. As we know, masyadong busy ang mga tao. I think February is the best, like Salvador was said and the rest of the group.
Okay, well, thank you very much. Maganda yun, no? June, so you're going to be providing us the numbers. Give us the numbers. We're going to post it on our social media accounts. Meron ba kayong isang generic number na kukontakin, or is it individual, the 5 of you, so we can flash to our kababayans? Kasi baka mamaya merong mga nanonood na interesado, no? Because because of the income protection, critical illness protection, life insurance, whole of life, no? Lalo na sinasabi nga ni Edna na mga 50s, mga nasa 50s onwards na mga nanay and tatay, di ba? Maski paano, di ba? Pang pang peace of mind niyo, pang cover ng whatever it is, no? Hanggang sa sila mamatay, di ba? At least meron pang cover na ng funeral expenses or anything, no? So, ayan. At marami pang iba, no? We have so many questions coming up and hindi tayo kakasya sa 2 oras. But hopefully we'll have another one. But in the meantime, it's our way of introducing you guys and you yourselves letting people know kung ano ba itong mga different kinds of insurances. And this is via Precise Protect, di ba? Tama ba yan, Jun? Precise Protect.
Correct.
Sige. Okay. Tell us once again, ano ba ang Precise Protect? Siguro for everybody to know para Precise Protect, but they can get it through you guys. Ganun ba yan? Hindi naman kailangan dumiretso sila sa Precise Protect. You are the guys that they have to contact. Tama ba yan, John?
Yes, Sonny, kasi kami, we don't really sell insurance. We give advice for them to follow. So kung makipag-usap sila sa amin, definitely, they will get the proper advice from us. They will get the proper product, the proper insurance that they wanted for them, the budget that they will consider. We will base it on their affordability. So definitely, if they want to talk to us, they can contact us by our phone numbers. Anyway, they don't have to come to us. All we need to do is see them via Zoom or Skype. Then we can talk about insurance, and definitely they can get insurance from there on.
And you guys have been telling me also, no, nung tayo, mga previous na conversation natin, maraming nag-benefit na rin. You've got clients who benefited from all of these, di ba? Na happy customers, happy... Yeah, John.
With the circumstances we are having now, this pandemic, you can imagine how busy we are with claims. You can imagine there are times that we are also personally affected because some of our friends are also suffering from COVID. Some already passed away. So definitely we will give our service, the best product, the best advice that we can give.
Ayan. Well, I guess siguro tayo... Yes, go ahead. May dadagdag ba? Bago tayo magpaalam at bago ko kayo pa isa-isahin sigurong may nais kayong mensahe o may nakalimutan kayong banggitin na nais niyong siguro critical na ipaalam sa ating mga kababayan. Mukha yata si Rosalie mukhang eager na gusto sabihin. Go. Yes.
Actually, Sonny, based on my experience, meron akong 2 claims na for death sa life insurance. They're all suffering from COVID.
Oh,
so,
wow.
Nakatulong to yung life insurance nila. Yung isa, 60,000. Yung isa, more than 70,000. So, nakatulong yun sa naiiwan na pamilya. Dahil namatay nga yung tata, yung isa naman namatay yung nanay. They're all COVID patient na namatay. So, nakatulong talaga. So, ang masasabi ko lang, yung mga tao na hindi pa exposed sa insurance, this is the time na i-expose nyo sarili nyo na kumuha ng insurance. Kasi worst things happen, makakatulong ito financially sa mga naiwan yung loved ones. So peace of mind, for example, ikaw ang breadwinner, pag kung ano mangyari sa iyo, yung naiwan mo, magkakaroon ng peace of mind. At ikaw rin sa heaven, peace of mind ka na kasi yung naiwan mo, may naiwan kang pera. Yun lang yun.
In short, hindi ka magpipilitang gumising doon sa kung nakalibing ka na sa ilalim, hindi ka na magigising, kailangan tumayo para dahil nagwo-worry ka di ba? So pwede ka na matulog na mahimbing, no? Intayin mo na lang makasalubong mo kung si Tani o kaya si St. Peter ang makasalubong mo. So at least may nagawa mo yung dapat magawa. Hindi ka minumura ng pamilya mo. Tarantado si mama o tarantado si papa, di ba? At least maski paano may peace of mind. Oh, itong mga nag-claim
diba?
Itong mga nag-claim Pinoy.
Mga
Yes.
Pinoy, Sunny.
Yes.
Meron ako actually last week, meron din akong mga claim na ganon. It's death because of COVID. So
Wow.
meron din mga coma, then they can claim for hospitalization. So there are different ways of claiming insurance.
Well, alam nyo na, bananggit yung COVID. Para sa akin, totoo na talaga ang COVID. Talagang totoo to kasi you have some mga conspiracy theorists, yung mga anti-vax at mga ganun-ganun mga tao. Social media ngayon, naglipa na sa mga information, no? Hindi mo talaga, alam mo, may namamatay. 1,000 na, makikita mo sa TV, 1,005, ganyan, no? It will only hit home pagkakakilala mo namatay na. I have mga 3 friends na namatay because of COVID. At COVID talagang dahilan. So parang, teka muna, totoo to, hindi to biro-biro, di ba? Kailangan mag-ingat na tayo. So, yan, ito parang magandang no? Maski paano, mag-insure tayo dahil hindi mo alam, di ba? Tatama ka, invisible yung kalaban natin eh. So, would you say,
Yes.
COVID time is also a best time to really insure yourself?
Yes.
100%,
Yes.
Sunny. We do.
Kahit man nahuli, basta pwede pang ma-insure, bakit hindi?
Yes.
Ano ibig sabihin ng John ang nahuli? Kahit man nahuli, ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag matanda na o
Wala pa silang insurance. Wala pa silang insurance. Tapos kahit na may edad na sila, meron pa rin. There's still a product for them. Everybody has a product for itself.
Ayun. Okay. So,
we can cater to anybody.
alam mo na, sorry.
Wala silang mamatay.
Noong araw, nung ako'y bata, nakikinig ko sa radyo, hindi ko alam kung si Rod Navarro, ang announcer o kung sino pa man yun. Merong insurance na para sa mga driver. Basta, maganda, masang dating eh. Kasi ganito lang ang babayaran, at least may peace of mind, gano'n, no? So dito, from a minimum of what? Sige, nasan ba? Na 10 pounds ba? 15 pounds? 20 pounds? Ano ang minimum na
5
pwede
pounds.
lang? Ha?
5 pounds.
5 pounds lang? May insurance ka na?
Yes.
Anong klaseng insurance yan? So pwede ka ba 5 pounds ka sa critical illness, 5 pounds ka sa income protection, 5 pounds ka sa life? Pwede ba yung gano'n o paano ba yan? How is it?
Yes.
It can
Sunny.
go down to life.
Oh yeah, si Edna.
I have a client, how old is she? 48 years old, for 50,000 life cover,
Oo.
9.59 pounds a
Wow.
month.
Wow, 10 pounds tapos 50,000 ang nakuha eventually? Ha?
Yes.
No, the cover for my clients,
So
for this
assured.
life cover, 50,000 is 9.95 for 48 years old. That's how affordable we are.
Wow. 48 years old siya, 9 point something ang babayaran, ganun, per month?
Yes, 9.95.
Oh,
And for
Parang-
the whole of life, 64. That the one that we are talking is a life cover, 50,000 and 9.95 for 48 years old. The other one,
Teka muna, ito ba yung whole of life to? Pinag-usapan na whole of life to? Hindi.
No, this is the
Life insurance. Life
I'm
insurance,
just
okay.
giving the amount.
Yes, oo.
The amount
Maganda yan, maganda pala yan.
And
Ikaw dapat kumuha ka ng life insurance.
Lahat ng insurance, hindi, ibig sabihin maganda yan. What I meant, John, is that it's nice for people to know na ganyan pala, di ba? Look at these things. So dapat,
and
di ba, magpa-insure
yes,
lahat.
yes,
Yeah.
and Sunny, for the whole of life, I have a client 64 years old for 30,000. You just only paying 20 29 a month.
Wow.
That's 64 years old, whole of life.
Whole of life.
30,000.
Really, whole of life, 30,000. So, okay yan. So, yan, ito mga kaibigan, yan, no? I think this is not the first and the last time that we're going to be having you guys. At kasi maganda, this is an eye-opener to our kababayans. Not everybody knows na, meron palang mga ganitong individuals dito. At pwedeng ma-reach, no? Kasi Pinoy eh. Pinoy na Pinoy. Ito, nurse, kita Lilian, na naging full-time dito. Si Lilian, ang alam ko, si Lilian, si Edna, kinasal to, naka-Rolls Royce, no? Si Joy, hindi ko lang. Ellen Docena. Si Ellen. Docena ka nung dalaga ka, di ba? Ellen?
Opo.
O, taga saan ang mga Docena?
Summer. Laki po ako ng Palawan.
Samar,
I was born in
Palawan.
Samar, but I grew up in Palawan.
Ayan, okay. Well, maganda. Docena. When you say Docena, di ba? 12 yan, 12? 1 dozen?
Opo.
Oo. When you talk of flowers, pare, pinadala ko yung girlfriend ko ng isang dosenang roses, red roses. Ayan, di ba? So, pero it's nice, love. Kasi love ang pinag-uusapan. June said, no? June is a romantic guy. He thought of February because it's a love month. Because we show our love. This is the best way of showing our love to our loved ones by way of insurance, no? Insuring ourselves. Parang ganito sa COVID eh. You are protecting others by protecting yourself, by keeping yourself safe, clean, and everything.
Sure.
Because hindi ka rin nagkakasakit, makakahawa. The same way,
Yes.
you protect not only yourself but your family as well, no? For anything. Sige. Well, it's been quite a very interesting discussion with you. Pag may mga questions pa siguro sila, ibabato ko sa inyo. Pag may natatanggap tayo, okay lang ba yan? I-send over sa inyo mga questions, no? And siguro if you can provide me your contact numbers. Siguro isa-isa. Sige, tell us your contact numbers. How you can be contacted? Una-unahin natin, huluhin natin yung dito, hindi ladies first. Ladies first muna. Yan. Mahuhuli yung inyong si pinaka-bossing natin, no? Lilian, Remy, yan, papunta sa iyo, no? Ellen, and then Joy. Sige. Lilian, sige. Baka may, paano ka kontakin? May last messages? Go ahead. Shout-outs? Go ahead, please.
Yeah, I think now is a time for you guys, especially Filipinos or whoever you are, sa nakikinig ngayon. So, ito yung mga messages namin na hindi lang tayo kukuha ng insurance, but we must have to, because this time, especially this pandemic, kailangan natin na meron tayong at least kung sa sarili natin, we love ourselves, we love our family, and this is it. You need to get one, and this is for ourselves, and we're happy, we have peace of mind, we enjoy. And thank you. Thanks a lot, Sonny.
Thank you very much. Yeah, Rosalie, no, ikaw. Sige.
Siguro din this is the best time sa mga tao na wala pang insurance, hindi pa sila well informed about insurance. Ito yung time na talagang kailangan nyo magpa-insure. Kasi worst things happen, meron kayong huhugutan, meron kayong iiwan sa pamilya nyo. And the most thing is, you have to protect yourself. Nagtatrabaho kayo, kayod kayo ng kayod, earn kayo ng money, but you have to protect yourself. That is the most important thing na lagi niyong iisipin. Hindi yung kayod na lang ang kayod, earn ng money. Yun lang yun. And if you need to contact me, ako si Rosalie Remigio, and my number is, yun na lang, ilalagay na lang natin sa Voyagers.
Taga saan ka? Taga saan ka? Remy, taga saan ka, Rosalie?
Rivera ako ng dalaga. Apelido yan ang asawa ko. Rivera ako sa Cavite, sa Bacoor.
No, pero dito, saan ka nakabase? For example, kami mga Pinoy na...
Battersea.
Saan?
Battersea.
Battersea, London. Taga London ka. Okay, Lilian, taga saan ka?
Actually, I'm here nearby North Middlesex Hospital, which is Edmonton Green.
Okay. So, northeast ka. Parang gano'n. Northeast London. Parang gano'n.
North London.
North London. Okay. All right.
North, yeah.
Baka may mga shoutouts kayo, ha? Baka shoutouts, babatiin kayo, no? Some friends who are watching perhaps, no? So, baka may maalala pa kayo, Rosalie at saka Lilian. Sige, Edna, go ahead. Ellen, sorry, Ellen. Ellen, sorry, my apologies, Ellen. Ellen, go ahead, please. Yes.
Ellen po. Yeah, once again, good afternoon, everyone. And this is a love month. I know insurance is all about love. The reason sa ating mga kababayan na OFW or mga nandito na, Okay, I will mention the OFW. The reason why we are here is we wanted to protect our family. One thing is that's the reason why we work. Isa sa isang protection, um, we have to protect our loved ones as well. In what way? If something happens, sabi nga may kasabihan, paano na ang kabayo paano ng damo pag namatay si kabayo? But this kabayo, we have to protect that one. In what way? We have to get an insurance for them, or we have to get a critical illness for us to cover up if something happened. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. What we are doing now is to protect ourselves and to protect our loved ones as well, as this is a love month. Yeah. So, well, if you want us to discuss with regards to, we are here for the interest of our clients, just like you guys. So if you want to contact us and you wanted to discuss, I think they have there. We cannot see the what is that? Pina-flash na po yata ni Sir Sonny yung aming mga numbers dyan. So wag po kayong mahihiya. Kontakin niyo po kami. Once again, my name is Elena Collins po. And I'll take this opportunity, Sir Sonny. I have my very good friend of mine. It's her 50th birthday tomorrow. Unfortunately, it's a COVID time, and she should have a a massive party. Her name is Abigail Paraan Pickering. Happy birthday! It's
Oy,
her
happy birthday!
50th birthday tomorrow. So, love you guys. Abigail is one of my insurance benefactor as well. So,
wow.
Yeah, she's one of my insurance benefactors. So, and
at si Professor... Yes, I'm here. Okay, yes. Okay.
Nasaan si Sunny?
Andito tayo. Andito tayo. Andito tayo. Okay, sandali. Andito. Ayan, andito tayo. Medyo nawala ho sa yung ating saglit lang ho. Binabasa ko lang tong ating mga babatiin lang muna, no? Si National, okay, babalik lang natin. Medyo nag-freeze tayo for a while. Babalikan ho natin saglit yung ating mga kaibigan from Precise Protect, no, yung ating mga kababayang Pinoy. National Baliwag University, Professor Randy Oliva, Executive Director. Magandang hapon sa inyo or magandang gabi. Professor Arnel Diego, Academic Director. Ito ay National University Baliwag. They're watching us. Professor Bien Manabat, Program Chair. Mabuhay, no? Of course, yung EFAM Training Consultancy Services, si Dr. Liza Magkasi, mabuhay. At syempre, yung ating mga production assistants, no? Ito ay si Ann Leslie Macose at si Alia Marie Ramos. Yan. Okay, balik tayo at medyo nawala yung ating mga kasamahan for a while, no? So, ng Precise Protect. Sandali, no? Okay. Ayan. Alright. Sino? Okay, may naputol last na bumabati si Ellen, bumabati ka kanina. Yung birthday natin kaibigan, sino? Yung si Miss Pickering? Ayan, si Joy.
Ayan, si Joy.
Ayan.
Naghang eh.
Naghang tayo. Naghang. Okay.
Oo, naghang nga.
Alright. O sige.
Pero anyway,
yes.
muna ako sa inyo. Thank you. Actually,
I think we have.
you're really good. You're smart. You know what you're talking about.
John, si Joy muna. Si Joy.
First to go for the
Walas Jess.
treats of all our clients na normally hindi naman lahat matatawagan.
Sunny.
Joy, si Joy yata. Hindi yata andito ako. Hindi niyo ba ako napapakinggan? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Really?
now we can hear you.
Now you can hear me. Okay. This si Joy yata. June, we heard you what you were saying. Na on air yan. June, si Joy yata hindi na nakapagsalita.
Yes.
Naputol tayo kay Ellen, no? Kay Ellen, no? Na tayo naputol. Go ahead, Joy.
Yes.
Sige.
Okay.
Shout outs,
one
pagbabate or anything na mga last words mo. Sige, go ahead.
Okay.
Or something you'd like to add.
Once again, ang message ko lang sa mga kababayan natin, huwag silang mag-hesitate to get in touch with us. Like I have mentioned earlier on, dito kami to guide you and give you a good advice. Our advice is free, okay? And no obligations at the end of the day. So, yeah, if you want to get in touch with us, I think the contact number it says on your thing in it, but yeah, we have the email address is j.cipilo@preciseprotect.co.uk, and yeah, shout out to all the Filipinos and all kababayans.
for peace of mind, no? Kailangan natin ng
At least an
insurance.
hour
Oh, ito
and a
na.
half magto 2 hours na tayo.
Ito na. Okay, so ito na. Bumalik na ho. Okay, ito na siguro. Baka sabi, yan. Okay, June. Ito na. June, nandiyo ka na. Andito ka na, June. Bumalik na. Sige, June, baka may mga last words ka. June, baka may last words and anything.
Okay na tayo. Siguro,
Asa na ba?
Siya pag in na.
June,
ay natin
ito, wala pa ba? Teka muna, wala pa. June, asa na ba? Andiyan ba kayo? Can you hear me? Can you hear me still? Can you hear me, guys?
Please.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
So, okay.
Narinig niyo ba ako? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Or where is Sunny?
I think we have to wait for Sunny and then we have
Oo. Ayan. Mukhang pumapasok. Ayan. Medyo nag-ano lang.
Wala eh.
Hindi, andito ako.
Thank you again, ha? I think we are doing
Ito,
good.
andito ba?
Thank you.
Did you give
Can you hear us?
Did you give the link for this?
Hindi ba nakikita? Wala ba? Hindi ba nakita? Hello, June, everybody?
No,
Wag na.
Ayan.
hindi naman niya maintindihan eh.
Ayan. Teka muna. Ayan.
Gusto niya raw
Anyway, what's the use? Kasi
Ayan. Okay. Well, parang medyo hindi niyo pa ba ako nadidinig? June, subukan natin one more time. But June and the rest of the guys, can you hear me?
May kontaktay sa kanila.
Can you hear me?
12 o'clock.
Can you hear me, guys?
Kukunin natin.
Ayan. Okay. Hindi bale. Sige. Balikan na lang ho siguro. We will be getting the contact numbers of the different etong sila Ellen, no? Docena Collins, no? Lillian, si Rosalie, and si Joy. And of course, si June, no? Andiyan pa ba kayo? Can you hear me? Nadidinig niyo pa ba ako, guys?
Sunny,
Wala.
Can you hear me?
hello?
I think
Ayan.
nagsiset
Ayan,
up
ito
siya
na.
ulit.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Wala eh. Napuputol.
internet connection yan.
Okay. Okay, napuputol
Kasi
sayang.
sabay-sabay tayong nagamit.
Gagawin ako.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay. Hindi niyo ako naririnig, no? Hindi niyo ako naririnig. So hindi ako naririnig yata ng ating mga kasamahan.
Di po.
Wala, ito. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Naririnig niyo ba ako?
Now.
Now. June,
Yes.
final word. Sige, pahabol bago tayo totally mawala, no? Sige, June. What is Precise Protect? Anong mga benefits of having Filipino protection advisors na makakontak? Sige, go ahead please.
Yes, anyway, before that, thank you very much, Sunny, at saka sa lahat ng ating kababayan for listening, giving your time. We are the Precise Protect Group. We specialize in protection advice. You can contact us on our mobile number. I think it's being advertised already in this group. You can ring us anytime you want. Feel free to talk to us, to any of us. And we assure you that we can offer you the best advice. We have 17
Mga kababayan, and it is our in having your peace of mind, no? Mga peace of mind ninyo sa inyong mga sarili ho. Ito ho ang sa ating mga kababayan. Yan, itong ating 5 o 6 na Pinoy na ito yung ating mga Pinoy na mga kababayan.
Sige.
Sila June, okay? All right. So guys, okay. I guess yun na ho yun, no? At we will be kung gusto ho ninyo malaman lalo na yung mga detalye ho, no? On how to have this insurance, no? Yung mga for peace of mind, life protection, critical illness, life insurance, no? Ayan ho, mga income protection. Ito ho ay ifa-flash ho natin sa ating Facebook page, no? Para ho malaman ninyo. So, nais ko lang ho pasalamatan yung ating pasensya na di ko na nakita masyado yung ibang mga pagbati, no? At mga tanong. Pero siguro ifa-flash natin, ibibigay ho natin do sa ating mga kaibigan si June, no? Yung ating mga kaibigan na sila June Changson, no? Junior. Ayan, itong si Joy Cepillo, no? Si Lillian Garcia, of course, Rosalie Remigio, and Ellen Docena Collins. Ayan, parang sabi ko na Edna, si Ellen ho. Naiisip ko kasi aking very good friend, si Edna, no? Okay, well, nais ko lang pasalamatan, no? Yung ating mga production assistants, walang iba kundi si Ann Leslyn Macose, no? And of course, si Alia Marie Ramos, no? So thank you very much. And once again, would like to thank or say hello to the yung mga professors yata to, no? From professors mula sa National University Baliwag. Mabuhay ho kayo, no? Like Professor Rafi Oliva, no? Si Professor Arnel Diego, no? Academic Director, and si Professor Bien Manabat, Program Chair. I guess it's time for me to say goodbye. Magpapaalam ho ako. Ako po si Sonny Laragan. No? Thank you very much. At sa ngalan ho nila Jun Changson, no? At yung grupo ng Voyager kung informally they call themselves. Ito ho yung grupo ng mga Filipino Protection Advisors ng Precise Protect. So kung nais ho nyo ng peace of mind, get in touch with them. I'm gonna be giving you the contact numbers of these people. Ito mga kaibigan natin. Nang sa ganon, that you could be properly advised kung ano ang dapat ninyong gawin. No? Okay. Well, I guess it's time for me to say goodbye. Sa ngalan ho ng aking mga production assistants, ito po si Sonny Laragan nagsasabing thank you very much sa inyong walang sawang pagsubaybay dito sa ating programa. No? And we're moving to a new time slot. On Wednesday, we're having with us yung ating kaibigang kumare na si Marites Allen. No? Siya ho'y magkakaroon ng segment dito about feng shui. So if you talk about love, health, wealth, jobs, no, pwede ho yan kung ano yung mga swerte ho ninyo, no, at mga bagay na ano dapat na gawin ng pampaswerte sa Wednesday ho yan dito ho sa ating programa. So till Wednesday, no, ito po si Sonny Laragan nagsasabing thank you very much for keeping me company. Stay health and safety, and always remember, whatever you do, hit it with your best shot. Bye.